Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson SV14 trigger is stuck, you're not alone. This issue can arise from a buildup of dirt or debris, or from internal components wearing out over time. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, affecting the performance of your vacuum. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some compressed air, and a clean cloth. First, ensure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Begin by gently prizing open the casing of the handle using the flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic. Once you've opened the casing, you should be able to see the trigger mechanism. Look for any signs of blockage or misalignment. If you find any debris, use the compressed air to blow it away, and wipe the area with the clean cloth. If the trigger still feels stuck, you may need to remove the mechanism. To do this, locate the screws holding it in place. Using the small Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them, noting their positions. It's essential to apply steady pressure and not strip the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the trigger mechanism out, being mindful of any cables attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Inspect the component for any signs of wear or damage. If it seems faulty, you may need to replace it with a new part. Simply reverse the process, place the new component in position, reattach the screws, and ensure everything is securely fitted. Before closing the casing, give the trigger a test to ensure it moves smoothly. If everything works as it should, carefully snap the casing back together, making sure it clicks into place. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly clean your vacuum, paying special attention to the trigger area, and ensure it's stored in a clean, dry environment. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.